Hi mommies! Ito pa rin si Doc Alia for Mom's Love ES1 OB-GYN Talks. So for this video, let us discuss the benefits of breastfeeding at paano po ma-maintain ni mommy yung milk supply. So for one, it is cost-effective. Hindi na kailangan gumastos ng malaking pera. Hindi na kailangan gumastos si mommy. At dahil hindi na kailangan gumastos, nakakatipid si mommy. So she can use her money for other baby essentials. Hindi na kailangan bumili ng formula. And since natural ang source of milk, it is also the healthiest source of nutrition. So, since natural lang siya, yung ingredients na is galing kay mommy, it is also easier to digest. So, kapag easier to digest sa tiyan ni baby, less ang chances din na magka-diarrhea si baby. So, mas nakakagaan sa tiyan ni baby. And also, it is the best source of antibodies. Okay? And antibodies, ito yung fighting mechanism ng katawan natin. So, ibig sabihin, uiwas din si baby sa infection. And of course, kapag naka-breastfeed kayo mommies, mas nakaka-burn din ng calories. So, if you're worried na wala kayong time mag-workout or mag-exercise, well, if you're exclusively breastfeeding, mas madali po mag-burn ng calories and mag-lose ng weight. O, diba? Kahit hindi na kailangan mag-enroll ng gym. Pero of course, if you also want to work out, pwede rin yun. And if you don't have the time, then magandang option talaga and alternative yung exclusively breastfeeding kayo. So mukhang marami tayong na-discuss regarding the benefits of breastfeeding and there are more but hindi po natin kaya i-discuss lahat dito sa isang post lang. So of course, ang next question nyo probably would be, paano ma-maintain yung milk supply? Ang dami nga benefits, pero di ba, Doc, ang hirap i-maintain. Paminsan nga, kulang pa nga yung pinapump ko or kulang pa um, yung supply for the demands of your baby. So with a well-balanced and healthy diet, of course, pwede talaga ma-maintain yung milk supply. So initially, you have to be well rested, no? Hindi pwede na kung tulog si baby, hindi kayo at least mag-try or mag-attempt na matulog na rin. Kasi, mommies, diba, kung hindi nakakapagpahinga yung katawan natin, paano tayo makarecover? So, your body is always trying to find ways to recover, no? Hindi pwede parating puyat. And if ever nagpupuyat kayo, then you have to find time in between sa hours nyo na nagbe-breastfeed na makarest din kayo. So, with proper and healthy diet, with rest, talagang ma-maintain nyo ang milk supply. And aside from this, if meron pa rin signs na nagde-decrease yung milk supply nyo, of course, make sure you are well hydrated. Because even if you are getting rest and then maganda naman din yung diet nyo, kumakain naman din kayo on time, and enough yung kinakain nyo, you also have to have at least 2 to 3 liters of water every day so that you are well hydrated, diba? Kasi paano kayo makaproduce ng milk if dehydrated din kayo? And of course, last but not the least, there are widely available food supplements na may malunggay. So, katulad ng Mom's Love ES1 capsule na may malunggay, meron din po siyang vitamins and minerals and taurine. So, this will help you to concentrate and at the same time, prevent anemia since meron na po siyang iron for your daily requirements. Ayun, mami. So, mukhang marami na tayong napag-usapan, marami na tayong nakuha na health tips from me. Hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. And of course, if you have other topics that you would like us to discuss, pwede naman kayo mag-comment and maglagay ng questions dyan sa comment section. So, thank you so much. See you in the next video.